Hello, welcome back. Alright, today up here it's a beautiful sunny day, who knew? I've been out gardening all day and it's lunchtime, we're getting a bit peckish, and I thought, a lady asked me a couple of weeks ago if I had an old school recipe for pikelets, and I hadn't been able to find my recipe in years for it. Anyway, I was given this gorgeous shelving bookshelf the other day, and I put it in the lounge, and I was so excited because I could finally get somewhere to put all my cookbooks. So I'm pulling them out of boxes, wardrobes, everywhere they are, I'm putting them all in. Anyway, as I'm putting them all in, this one book falls out, and I thought, oh yeah, this has happened before, I'll have a quick look through it. And sure enough, the old school pikelet recipe is in there. So that's what we're going to do. What we're going to need for this gorgeous little easy recipe is we need 30 grams of butter in a small saucepan. Stick it on the stove top so it's ready to go. We're going to need 1 egg. And what we want to do is we want to just get it in a small bowl and whisk it up and set it aside for a second. We need 1 cup of self-raising flour sifted, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda, 1/4 cup of caster sugar. Mix that all in well together, and now we want to put our small saucepan with our 30 grams of butter on the lowest possible heat and melt it down. Once our butter is melted, we want to put 3/4 cup of milk in there, our lightly beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our 30 grams of melted butter. Now we want to mix it in really well until there's no lumps. Once we've got that beautiful and smooth, now we want to set the timer and we want to leave it sit there for 15 minutes. These little pikelets are that good, you can eat them on their own. They are just amazing. So it makes 3 serves of 6 each. So when 15 minutes is up, we want to get out a frying pan and a tablespoon measurement. If you don't have a tablespoon measurement, get, one of your normal spoons and just do them with the same amount on them. Alrighty, 15 minutes later, heat your pan up a little bit. So I'll just use a little bit of butter or marge. Get our tablespoonfuls with a little spoon, I'll just scoop it on there. Once it's on there, I'll just press it down a little bit. So they literally need a minute either side. If you're cooking with gas, you're laughing. Cooking with electric just blows. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Old school pikelets. Give them a crack. You're going to absolutely love them. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.